All right, it's your boy Trey Cross, and I'm back. And this week we're working on the 1, 3, 4 chord progression. This way is a little different. It's a little different. I just put it that way. So here it is. Key of C sharp. Okay. Now, you could do so much with this, and this can run into so many different chord progressions. Like 1, 3, 4. Then you can go to the 7, 3, 6. And then you can go to the 2, 5, 1. 1. And then you can go to the 3, 6, 2. And then you can go to the 5, 1. Everything runs together. That's why you got to work on it consistently and get it all down pat. Alright? So, let's get started. This 1, 3, 4 chord progression. Going to the 1, we're going to play that C sharp with the 5th. C sharp, A flat. Alright? Now, on the right hand for the 1, we're going to play the B flat suspended chord. Okay, so in case you missed the other training, the B flat suspended chord is basically, if you go to the B flat major chord, and this is the root chord, go to the B flat major chord. So instead of playing 1, 3, and 5 to play B major, we play 1, 2, and 5 off of B major. Okay. So that's the suspended chord, the B flat suspended chord, and then we're just going to add the F on top to match on the bottom. Okay. So we're going to play that on the 1. Okay. So going to the 2, it's the same concept. On the 2, you're playing the 2, which is F, and then you're going to play that 5th, which is C. And so here we're playing the C sharp suspended chord. So instead of playing 1, 3, and 5 of C sharp, we're going to play 1, 2, and 5 of C sharp. And then we put the A flat on the bottom as well. And this is with the 3. Okay. And then with the on the 3, I'm sorry, when we get to the 4, it's the same thing. So look at that. So instead of the 1, 3, and 5 on E flat major, we're going to play the 1, 2, and 5. And then we're going to double up on that B flat, and we're going to play it on 4. And then you can play F sharp on the bottom as well as the top on the left hand. So that's the whole thing. And when I went to that 7, 3, 6, or you can go and then I went to the 3, 6, 2, I think. And then I went to the 2, 5, 1. I'll see you next week.